Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new DJI Avata 2. This is the 3 battery combo pack which comes with a number of additional accessories as well. I purchased this from Amazon yesterday. They delivered it to me this morning. I'm excited to get stuck in. And if you're interested in checking this out for yourself, then I'll leave the Amazon link down in the video description so you can see whatever the current price is at the time of viewing. Now this is not by any stretch of the imagination my first DJI drone. It is, however, my first FPV drone. Not only from DJI, but in general. I've never flown FPV before. So I'm really excited to try out the Avata 2. I was tempted with the original Avata, but I thought it would be best just to wait for the next generation. And since that is now here we are. And as expected, the combo pack does include DJI's traditional storage bag. And it looks like we have the drone itself. It is definitely going to be fantastic for those of you that are more pro in the FPV market. But if, like me, you are also a beginner, then this is probably going to be the best choice, at least for the time being. And yep, the first of the 3 batteries is already installed here. So let's pop that down for one moment. And next up, we have the charging hub along with the additional 2 batteries. So this is a smart charging hub, which means not only does it support power delivery for fast charging, but it will actually drain the batteries that are inserted that have less charge in order to get at least one battery up to full charge as soon as possible. So yeah, I'd be interested to see how that all plays out. Sadly, out of the box, there seems to be 0 charge on anything here, so I'm going to have to get these plugged in. Right, so we have the goggles here. These are the upgraded goggles version 3. Again, not familiar with the previous generation of these, but I know there have been a number of changes and improvements, not least of which to comfort. So DJI have spent a lot of time on trying to make sure that you are going to be comfortable wearing these. And we have the antenna on the front as well, along with a couple of controls so that you can make various adjustments as you are in flight to the image and to the live view image and to the telemetry. The goggles themselves do feel quite light, especially the front bit that goes over your eyes. I feel like, you know, sometimes when I'm wearing virtual reality goggles, they can get a little bit weighty over time. Hopefully that's not going to be the case here. And then finally for the main event, we do have the RC Motion 3 controller, and that is super comfortable in my hand. Now, I know if you are an FPV pro, you'll probably prefer the more traditional controller that is available and can be used with the Avata 2, but this is definitely aimed for beginners, I think, this specific setup here. That's why they've included the RC Motion 3 controller, which, as far as I understand, just works flawlessly when it comes to FPV flying, even if you don't have the intricacy or the subtleties in the movements that you make. In terms of actually accommodating FPV pilots, that's where the RC Motion 3 controller is going to come in. But yeah, as you step up a level, you'll probably be replacing this with the more traditional handheld controller. So we'll pop all of that down to the side and then see what accessories and extras DJI have included for us. But we do get a set of spare props, the charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, a couple of additional accessories for the goggles, including some corrective lenses. So I did not expect those. I don't need them, but that's really, really awesome to see DJI including those. And then finally, the manual and I guess some other documentation. And folks, there we have it, the unboxing of my new DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo pack. Really excited to getting this thing set up. Gonna have to spend time charging the batteries first though. But hey, good things come to those who wait. If you want to see more Avata 2 content, especially, you know, actually flying the thing, then please do stick around and I'll be sure to share that with you, including my test flight, which I'll be doing today, hopefully. So thank you so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Let me know if you are interested in the Avata 2 down in the comments, or even if you have managed to fly one, share your thoughts about that too. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you soon.